Hi friends, welcome to PVSK Tech Education. Today we are going to know about the functional areas of management. Previously we discussed about the functions of management. So now we are going to know about these areas. So first one is the marketing. No, marketing means selling and buying of goods or services. Uh, it's don't have a certain place. We can buy and sell the goods or services anywhere. So the process involves identification of consumer needs and wants and fulfilling it. So it comprises of all activities like production, interaction, distributing and exchanging the services which offer the value to the public. So these are the activities involved in this marketing. Means like we can produce the products and interact with the customers. According to that we can distribute to them, and based on their taste and preferences we can change their exchange the services also. So next one, finance is very important thing. So it's a backbone of the every business. Among its various functions of business, finance function is the most important function. So we can't ignore and substituted or removed also. So finance manages the money related activities in the business. So like monetary resources of the business. So finance, without finance we can't run the business. So finance is the very important one to start the business. Next one, production. The production means it's the process may be defined as the systematic transformation of one form of material into another form. We can transform the base material into the end product with a view to making it more useful to the end user. So production may be explained as the process through which some value is added to the base material or intermediate product. So the value addition may take place at each stage of production. The next one, human resource management. Human resource means consist of group of people. These people, human resource will be made up of people only. The organization run without people. The functions to the people only. Without people, the organization can't exist. So efficient use of other physical resources like land, capital, building, everything will be we can use through the human resource only. So man is the most valuable resource for the every organization. So if right environment is given to him, and hence it termed as human resource. So it consists of people and ready to provide their services for the benefit of organization to achieve the organizational goals. Human resource is the uh, main thing. And next one, information technology. So information technology means effective use of technology to collect, construct, to utilize the information and to interchange in the many forms. So information technology manages the utilization of computers and softwares to exchange, to collect, and to protect, develop, and to communicate and safely retrieve information from various resources. So, information technology it has a large span covering various fields. So, we know very well information technology how developed today in all over the world. So, to protect anything or develop, to collect information, to retrieve information, everything information technology is most important thing. And next one, research and development. So research and development will be in the every organization almost. So a combination of it's the combination of different investigation activities performed by the business organization, either for producing the new product or upgrading the existing product and procedures. So it is referred to as research and development. So in the organization, to to introduce new product or to upgrade to the next level to the existing product. For those, research and development will be necessary. It's a separate department will be in the organization. So most of the companies belonging to the semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, the software, etc., everything, so they invest a large amount of money in this research and development. So this research and development programs and methods are implemented by most of each and every consumer goods organization, and these are the functional areas. Thank you for watching.